Hi everybody, it's Ryan from Stahls. Have you ever wanted to generate profits for only 6 cents? Well, you certainly can with the QR code on the back of your garment or on the sleeve print. So QR codes are literally everywhere. And with our new Spirit Sale option, we do have a QR code function. So I'm going to go ahead and show you with our new UltraColor MAX direct-to-film transfers. The amount of detail you can actually capture in this transfer is amazing. But as you can see here, we actually have the ability of ganging several of these QR codes for as little as 6 cents per press. Come out of the heat press, I'll show you how it's done. This design was actually created in our Easy View Online Designer over at Stahls Transfer Express. So what's nice about that is you can actually incorporate these designs into the Stahls Spirit Sale for those of you who are doing our e-commerce or using our e-commerce tool. So what we could do basically in this example, let's say we were making shirts for the Perkins Vikings, we can go ahead then and put the QR code on the back. That way when they're at the football game or whatever sporting event, the fans can actually scan the back of that QR code, which takes them directly to that Spirit Sale store, and they can order their apparel right then and there in the stands. I'm going to go ahead and do the press right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to thread our garment. And I'm just using a 100% polyester. So what's nice about the UltraColor MAX is I can go at 290 degrees without scorching this polyester here. We're just going to do a little bit of a pre-press for a couple seconds, take out any moisture or wrinkles. And we're using the Hotronics Auto Open Clam. We have the settings at 290 degrees for the heat. We have the temperature or the time for 15 seconds. And basically, I'm just going to put this little 1x1 QR code right on the nape or the back of the neck here, the nape here. It's a little bit tricky to get positioned, but that's okay. You can actually use some tape if you wanted to, thermo tape. And I could put this also on a sleeve print, but just for the sake of showing, I'm going to do the back today. No cover sheet is required. And I could make this QR code full color as well. That's the wonderful thing about UltraColor MAX is you have unlimited colors and shades and fades and gradients that you can incorporate with your design. And it's a hot peel, so just go ahead and peel it. And there we have it. Real simple QR code that somebody can actually scan in the stands. And that's it. All right, folks, so as you can see, that little tiny 1" by 1" 6 cent QR code made by UltraColor MAX is scannable. As you can see here, Joe actually used his cell phone and he did scan it. And coincidentally, it happens to pull up a video about UltraColor MAX. So if you do pause this video, you can actually scan it yourself and watch the video. But the great thing about these QR codes is literally you can put it on the back, you could put it on the sleeve, you could put it on the front, you can incorporate it into the design as well. But you're actually able to advertise a school store for a Spirit Sale, for example. You could advertise for a product. If you're trying to expand on your brand, you can have a QR code so people can go right to your homepage. You could have it for fundraisers, a specific product, whatever you might need a QR code for, you can definitely incorporate it for a very, very, very economical price of 6 cents per square inch with UltraColor MAX. So I want to thank you all for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel here and join us on Facebook. We're on Instagram and all of the social medias. We thank you so much for choosing Stahls.